Welcome to the treatment stage of your personal injury case. During this part of the case, you are going to be attending treatment appointments, you're going to be getting recommended future treatment, and just deciding if you want to get that treatment that's been recommended. Now, more likely than not, you went to some kind of emergent care immediately after your incident. This can be going by EMS to an emergency room or to an urgent care. You likely then followed up with your primary care physician. The most likely route then at this point, if you're still having pain, is to go to a pain management doctor. The pain management doctor is going to act like a quarterback in assessing what your treatment needs are going to be. From that stage, you may go to a certain amount of specialists. For instance, if you need a neurologist or you need a shoulder orthopedist to look at you, or if you're having blurry vision and you need to see an eye doctor. Or if you're having ringing in the ears, you may see an ENT. There are various specialists that are going to be needed based on your particular injuries that you have. When you see a specialist, they may recommend certain diagnostic imaging to help them determine what is going on. Diagnostic imaging at this point will likely include an MRI. After you get your MRI imaging, it's going to be reviewed by a radiologist. The radiologist will then write up a report and send it back to the specialist. The specialist will then meet with you to determine what exactly is going on the imaging. Based on what they find on the imaging, you may be recommended for a certain type of therapies to be done. For instance, a neurologist may recommend vestibular therapy or cognitive therapy. An orthopedist may recommend physical therapy, chiropractic care, or massage therapy. You'll be doing these kind of therapeutic treatments for approximately 6 weeks, and then you'll revisit back with a specialist or pain management to see how you're progressing. If you're not progressing well in a certain amount of time, you may be recommended for some invasive treatment. Invasive treatment can include injections or surgeries or any other procedures that may require local anesthetic all the way to being put under for the procedure. At any point in time when you're recommended for future treatment, the doctor is not anticipating that you will make a decision on that future treatment on the spot. You can always consider it, it's a big decision, but you want to welcome future treatment recommendations. The reason for this is that your attorney may use the future treatment recommendations to get a cost estimate of what it will cost in the future for you to treat for your case, long past your case concluding. This is important that it's being considered in your case so that you get the maximum value. Even though you may not want an invasive procedure today, you may need that invasive procedure in the future, and you're going to want to make sure that you're covered for that. For that reason, you're going to want to welcome any future treatment recommendations from the doctor, and you can take time to think about whether you want to go forward with that treatment or whether you want to present a future treatment estimate to the adjusters to resolve the case.